So by sheer accident, I'd like to say design, we've made it to Wistman's Woods. This is an ancient oak woodland which is one of very few of its kind in Britain, and it is beautiful, as you can see. But I wanted to stop for lunch. Usually we stop and cook some stuff for lunch, but one, you're not allowed fires near Wistman's Wood, so it wasn't even going to be a consideration, and two, for the sake of easiness. Sometimes, I've got a cooking channel, so what I do is try and show you what can be possible, but also what we've gone for is wraps. So nice and simple, just a wrap. I mean, I'm not going to tell you how to make a wrap. I don't need to mansplain that one to you, but we've got a lettuce from the shop, pickles from a jar that I put in a bag, wrap, and Dad's bought a hunk of cheese. I'm going to put a little bit of chili sauce on mine, and then to accompany that we've got a tin of dolmades, and this can be recycled when we get home. So it's a really hot day, we don't want anything hot and stodgy, so this is just a nice stop, and it took seconds to prepare. We're both hungry, and it's got fresh stuff in it as well. So that was it really. That's the shortest cooking video I've ever done. Now it's time to scoff me wrap.